Hello friends, welcome back. So in this video, let's create an app icon for our lovely police app, okay? So what is an app icon? You know, right? That's, for example, let's stop it. You see here is the default ugly okay icon, right? So how do we create one here? Okay, so yeah, let's do it. For example, I use this part, right? This part as the icon. You can use any image, right? You design or you find somewhere, right, on the internet, as long as we don't break um, the copyright. Okay, so for example, okay, now let's try to make a copy of this, right? This part. How can we do that? Okay, the great thing for the Mac is we can use a screen copy here. Screen copy. So to create by default, when we do the following, it will create an image file on the desktop. Okay, let's do it. Hold on Command key and Shift key. Hold on Command and Shift key and press 4. Okay, then you see here the cursor changes, right? The cursor change here like that. Now you can, right, you can drag this one to cover a range, right, to cover an area. Okay, so let me do it now. Yeah, you see, let's make it a square. Not very good. My starting point is not very good. What about here? Okay, let's do it again. Yeah, when we release, it will generate a file on the desktop. Okay, like this one. Here. Wait a minute. The result image file jump to my big screen. Oh, I cannot drag it here. Why? Let's do this. Is it a bug or I didn't notice that? But anyway, in your case, right? Okay, let me open it. It'll be something like that. Yeah, this is what I just cut. Okay, let me do it again to make sure you yeah, you can do it a million times. No, right? No, nothing can limit you. Okay, now hold on Command Shift key and press 4 to change the cursor to this shape, right? Like a crosshair, like the crosshair of a weapon. Now let's try it again. So to drag an area like that, make it a square. I still need to go to start from the right. Okay, so I'll do another one because I don't like this one. It's not square, it's not perfect square. I want, yeah. Okay, hold on Command Shift and 4 again. Now this time let's try from here. You see the number here, the very small number. Oh, 360 by 360. Cool. Release. Done. So here is the file. This is the file on my desktop. Now what? Can we use it directly? No. We need to use a free online tool, right, to generate a bunch of small images, yeah, of different size, right? And then we can drag them into this guy here in our Xcode here. Assets.xc assets. Okay, here you see there's an app icon here, yeah. We need so many, right? 1 2 3 4, maybe 20 of them. Yeah, there's a very good online app icon generator, right? Will generate all those images for us. Well, yeah, let me show you. So let's go to online app icon maker. Actually, right, when we search that, we can get is makeappicon.com. okay, so we can go directly to there, or you can click here, right? Make app is very easy to, right, memorize this. Makeappicon.com. Here there's a baker on the web page, so you can what happened? Let's go there, click by clicking here. Yeah, here is the baker, right? You can click this button to choose the file, right? Like that. Choose file on my desktop here. Yeah, this guy, right? You can do that, or cancel. Can we, like, you can drag that file from your desktop to the here. Can I do this one? Okay, no. Yeah, I can. Let me, yeah, close this one, so I can drag from my desktop, okay, to here. You see, like that. Put it here. Boom. Lovely, right? It's baking. Then after a few seconds, right, it will generate a package of those things and email us. Yeah. It's slower than before. Maybe sometimes it's just busy. Okay, so here, what is your app's name? We don't need that, so just click next. Here, what is the app's category? No, it doesn't matter. Here, it doesn't matter. Next. And here we have to put our email in, and if you don't like the notification, you can uncheck that. Now click the green button here to its right, then it will email the generated. Okay, so here complete, so no thanks, thank you. Now it's done. Let me go to my, yeah, you see here I got this one, right? I got this one. Okay, so now let's click this one. There's a, you see, there's here, it's hidden. Go to here, click this one, save all. Now put it here in the download, right? Downloads, save. Okay, now we save this package in our downloads folder, and this one, bye bye. Okay, where is our downloads folder? Here. Downloads here. You see there's a zip file. Okay, so double click that to unzip it. Now, right here we got three different, right, three folders. Our stuff is inside iOS, so this Android is for like the Android app. If you develop the Android app, right, for Android devices or simulator, you use this, yeah, those files. We will focus here. So all our files are inside this one, iOS app icon dot app icon set here. Yeah, that's it. Now let's drag one by one to fill the empty box inside our Xcode, right under here, app icon here. Now what about this one? Oh, let's do this. Find like here, right here. So 40 by 40 2x 2 plus, right? It means 2 times, yeah. So it means this one we need here is this guy. Even though the name is a little bit mismatching, okay? Yeah, but trust me, you can try that. You can try a different one, but if it, okay, so there's no warning. For example, if we use this one, right here, you see there's a exclamation mark here. Okay, so let's put the correct one here. Yeah, 3 times this one, 60 by 60. Okay, so it will be this guy here. Okay, 58, so it's this one, right? 29 times 2 is 58, and this one, so 3 times 29 is 87. Cool. Now this one I guess is 40 by 2, right? 40 by 2, this guy. Yeah. And another one is, yeah, this one, it should be 60 by, oh no, 40 by 3. 40 by 3, this guy. Yeah. Now this one, 60 by 2. Yes, we have that. And this one for the here, 180. What about this 20 by 20, the first one here, the smallest? Oh, wait a minute, what is that? Okay, here 20 by 20. Those small icons, they need that for some other part of the app. For example, you need the app, you need the icon in like a toolbar, below toolbar, right? The at the bottom of our app, the toolbar icon or something like that. 40 by 40, this guy again. So you see, same one we used here. Now 29. Oh, let's make it, okay, 29, this guy here. And 58, this one. You don't need to put all of them here to make your app, right, run on the simulator. Actually, for our iPad simulator, we only need like 2 or 4 of them. Yeah, but just for fun, we put all of them there. So some are for the iPhone, the other for the iPad devices. Yeah, so 40 by 40 here. 80. Okay, this guy. Next one. 76. Okay, 76. Next one, double. Yeah, there's some patterns here, of course. Here, this one is, right, 2 times 83.5 is this guy. 160 what? 67. Okay, the last one you see is a huge. This is used for the app store. If you publish the app right onto the app store, you need to submit a big image. This one, where is it? Is this guy, the last one here. Okay, drag it here. Done. Now when we run it, okay, so let's close this one and check. Command R to run it. You see, oh yeah, it flashed. It flashes. Okay. Now let's stop it. Here, you see, oh, cool. Let's take a closer look of it. All right. Our lovely pretty app, right? The icon. Okay, that's it for today. See you next time. Thank you for watching.